Hi, this is Wayne Wakeman, one of the System Dynamics Society mentors. I wanted to share a couple of items that I find to be common opportunities for new learners. Especially, I've noticed that there's a lot of opportunity to improve diagrams. For example, on CLDs, I often see variables with names that hamper one's ability to assess link valence and therefore loop polarity. For an example, in a model with a goal for something, perhaps inventory level, and its actual value, one might use a variable called difference. But this is ambiguous. Difference which way? Actual minus goal makes it clear. The link from actual will have a valence of plus, and the link from goal will have a minus. This is easy to verify when the variable is named properly. If the diagram also has something like next order or something like that, to which the actual minus goal is linked, then it's also clear that that link should have a negative valence since we already have positive excess inventory if it's positive. So this just helps you draw the diagram more accurately to have a really good name. Beginner diagrams also tend to be overly complex, and I encourage learners to take the time to redraw their diagram, maybe multiple times, so as to minimize line crossings and to use curvy lines in loops and straight lines for links not in loops. This also encourages parameters to often be located near the periphery, which allows the diagram to kind of serve as another type of diagram, a bullseye diagram, which helps identify the endogenous parts of the model and the exogenous things that are needed in order to explain the story, but are not themselves in feedback loops. I also find myself encouraging learners to move quickly from causal loop diagrams to stock and flow diagrams or some type of hybrid, because it tends to foster clarity of thought. Thinking in terms of, is this a stock or is this just a converter, an auxiliary logic and equation? That kind of thinking really helps. And I'd say, to summarize, I would believe that the most direct path to a working model involves a well-drawn stock and flow or hybrid diagram with uber clear variable names.